direction rule is used to detect objects moving in a certain direction through a region of interest. For example, a car traveling the wrong way on a road. To enable this, log into the Illustra Web Gui using the default username and password admin. Select Setup on the web user interface and select Event and Actions. Select Analytics and then the AI Object Classification tab. Select the Enable AI Object Classification checkbox to enable AI Object Classification on the camera. And you do have the option to select the Highlighted Detections checkbox to create a visual representation within the camera view. Next, select New Rule. Type the rule name of your rule definition into the field provided. Next, select Default Action from the Action drop-down menu. This default action is activated when the parameters of the analytic rule are met. Select the rule type from the Rule Type drop-down menu and select the object type from the Object Class drop-down menu. Using the drawing tools to the right-hand side, create the region of interest from the camera view. It is best to use a thin region of interest that coincides with the direction of the rule to detect an object in a specific area of interest. The overlap bar is used to change the amount of a detected object that must be in the region of interest while moving in a specified direction. The minimum confidence slider is used to increase or decrease the percentage of confidence at which the rule will be triggered. Use the direction to specify the general direction the object must move in to trigger your alarm. You can choose between north, south, east, or west. The traversal time is the maximum amount of time of which an object can take to traverse most of the region of interest that has been defined. For example, if a traversal time is 5 seconds and it takes an object 3 seconds to traverse it, it will trigger an alarm. But if it takes longer, then the alarm will not trigger. If a value is set to 0 in the traversal time, it will automatically trigger an alarm as soon as an object enters the region of interest. Once the rule definitions have been set, select Save to save your changes. To see these events, navigate to the Events logs, and here you'll be able to see that our direction rule has been triggered.